Azure management and governance are crucial for maintaining control over your cloud resources. They ensure that your Azure environment is secure, compliant, and cost effective. This presentation will delve into Azure Resource Manager ARM and ARM templates, which are essential tools for managing and deploying Azure resources efficiently. Azure Resource Manager ARM is the deployment and management service for Azure. It provides a consistent management layer that enables you to create, update, and delete resources in your Azure account. ARM allows you to manage your infrastructure through declarative templates rather than scripts, ensuring a more streamlined and error-free deployment process. ARM offers several benefits, including improved security, simplified resource management, and enhanced automation. By using ARM, you can apply access controls, organize resources, and enforce policies across your Azure environment. This centralized management approach helps in maintaining compliance and optimizing resource usage. ARM templates are JSON files that define the infrastructure and configuration for your Azure solution. They enable you to deploy resources in a consistent and repeatable manner. With ARM templates, you can specify the resources you need, their properties, and any dependencies between them, ensuring a reliable deployment process. An ARM template consists of several key sections: schema, content version, parameters, variables, resources, and outputs. The schema defines the structure of the template, while the content version specifies the version of the template. Parameters and variables allow for customization, and the resources section lists the Azure resources to be deployed. Outputs provide information about the deployed resources. Creating an ARM template involves defining the resources you need and their configurations. You can use tools like Visual Studio Code with the Azure Resource Manager Tools extension to simplify the process. By following best practices, such as using parameters and variables, you can create flexible and reusable templates that can be easily adapted to different environments. Deploying ARM templates can be done through the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or PowerShell. The deployment process involves validating the template, specifying parameter values, and executing the deployment. ARM ensures that resources are deployed in the correct order and handles any dependencies between them, providing a seamless deployment experience. ARM allows you to manage your resources through resource groups, which act as containers for related resources. By organizing resources into groups, you can apply management actions, such as tagging, access control, and policy enforcement, at the group level. This approach simplifies resource management and enhances governance. RBAC is a key feature of ARM that enables you to control access to your Azure resources. By assigning roles to users, groups, or applications, you can grant the appropriate level of access needed to perform specific tasks. RBAC helps in maintaining security and ensuring that users have the necessary permissions to manage resources effectively. Azure Policy is a service that allows you to create, assign, and manage policies to enforce rules and ensure compliance across your Azure environment. By using ARM and Azure Policy together, you can define policies that govern resource configurations and deployments, helping you maintain compliance with organizational and regulatory standards. ARM provides tools for monitoring and managing costs associated with your Azure resources. By using features like cost analysis, budgeting, and cost alerts, you can gain insights into your spending patterns and identify opportunities for cost optimization. ARM helps you ensure that your Azure environment is cost-effective and aligned with your budget. ARM integrates with Azure Monitor to provide comprehensive monitoring and diagnostics capabilities. By collecting and analyzing telemetry data from your resources, you can gain insights into their performance and health. ARM and Azure Monitor together enable you to detect and resolve issues proactively, ensuring the reliability and availability of your applications. ARM supports automation and orchestration through tools like Azure Automation and Azure Logic Apps. By automating repetitive tasks and orchestrating complex workflows, you can improve operational efficiency and reduce the risk of human error. ARM enables you to create automated solutions that streamline resource management and deployment processes. To get the most out of ARM, it's important to follow best practices, such as using resource groups effectively, implementing RBAC, and leveraging ARM templates for consistent deployments. Additionally, regularly reviewing and updating your policies, monitoring costs, and automating tasks can help you maintain a well managed and optimized Azure environment. Let's explore a case study where a company used ARM to streamline their Azure resource management. By adopting ARM templates and implementing RBAC, they were able to reduce deployment times, improve security, and achieve better compliance. This case study highlights the practical benefits of using ARM in a real-world scenario. In conclusion, Azure Resource Manager and ARM templates are powerful tools for managing and deploying Azure resources. By leveraging these tools, you can achieve better control, security, and efficiency in your Azure environment. As a next step, consider exploring ARM templates in more detail and experimenting with creating and deploying your own templates to gain hands-on experience.